Traction motors power some of the most demanding equipment in the world, and how well they're cleaned before assembly after refurbishment directly affects how long they last and how reliably they perform. AC and DC traction motors are complex components with tight internal passages, recessed features, and external surfaces that must be completely free of oils, grease, debris, and grime. The Better Engineering CPD50 was engineered specifically for this application. This fully automated, integrated material handling system moves motor components through a precise, multi-stage cleaning process on 32-inch by 32-inch pallets, each capable of holding up to 2,500 pounds. A powered roller conveyor and indexed pusher automatically advance each part and pallet through every stage, ensuring consistent positioning and repeatable results. The fully automated traction motor washer can process one pallet every 15 minutes. The first stage is washing. Each part rotates on a turntable, so the high-pressure spray reaches every external surface. A dedicated wash pole extends that cleaning inside the motor, reaching internal cavities that a standard spray pattern can't touch. The pump delivers up to 300 gallons per minute at up to 150 psi, with a heated solution at 140 degrees Fahrenheit to break down oils and stubborn contaminants. Next comes rinsing. A recirculating rinse removes the cleaning chemistry, followed by a freshwater rinse to ensure nothing carries over to the next stage. Then, heated air at 250 degrees Fahrenheit drives off surface moisture and warms the part, setting it up for the most critical step. That step is vacuum drying. A heated dome lowers over the component and seals around it. The system pulls a near-complete vacuum, cycling between vacuum and release while maintaining elevated heat. This process draws moisture out of internal passages and recessed areas that heated air alone simply can't reach. For motors that will be re-energized and returned to demanding service, that level of dryness isn't a nice-to-have, it's essential. Supporting the entire process is a 300-gallon evaporator system that reduces waste by condensing wastewater into sludge and detergent. Wetted components throughout the system are constructed from stainless steel for durability and long-term reliability. The Better Engineering CPD50. Automated material handling, high-pressure cleaning, controlled rinsing, and advanced vacuum drying in one integrated system, purpose-built for traction motor remanufacturing for the largest public transit authority in North America. Better Engineering. Engineered cleaning for critical components.